Bad girl.
So we just came home from dinner and found a trail of feathers. One very guilty looking dog with feathers on it. So we followed the trail. First of all, the bird's okay. So that's good.
Darn it.
But if you follow the trails, it gets a little thicker. We thought maybe it went downstairs, but it didn't. So we kept following the trail of feathers to what was our comforter, which is now dead.
No, I think it was a pillow.
They killed the comforter.
I think it was a pillow.
Whatever it was.
No, it was this pillow. This
pillow. The pillow is dead.
It's dead.
So what do? Do you get mad?
You gotta laugh.
Gotta laugh.
And plus it's an IKEA pillow, it costs $5.
And it was your dog that did it.
No, it's your dog.
Your dog.
Your dog.
Your dog.
Come over here and take a picture of this side too. You gotta get all of it.
Yeah, there's more over here. Love my dog.